Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I am going to show you ways you could earn $5 time and again with associate marketing, so that is going to be step-through-step educational, so make certain to watch you guys this video it'll give up. And additionally, if you are new to my YouTube channel, make certain to press that subscribe button, because we launch everyday movies on this channel seeking to display you guys the fresh new methods and come up with mentally new facts on a way to make cash online like this video. So make certain to observe, press that subscribe button so permits jump directly into this video without wasting any time. So step 1 is sign on for Honey. So I am going to reveal you guys what Honey does, and you could sign up for Honey. The hyperlink will be in description first. Link in description, so make sure to click on that, and sign up for Honey, because it's far loose tool, and I am going to reveal you men how you may make cash with this loose device. So I'm going to show you guys some of my earnings from Honey. So right here you can see I've zoomed in a little bit just to reveal you guys precisely a number of my income. So here you may see 100 gold is same to 1 US greenback, so that you need the 1,000 gold minimum to get your cash. So here you can see in the last 6 hours I've made 2,500 gold. So basically this is $25 without doing something. You can see also 20 hours in the past, $20 without doing anything. Here you may see once more $20, 65 bucks, $20, that is $5, 20 bucks, 10 bucks, 40 greenbacks. So the once more men, this is without me doing anything. I certainly did no longer log in on this account. I've accomplished this simply to reveal you men how without difficulty you may make here $20. You could create passive income without literally doing whatever. $45 right here you could see that is 18,500. So essentially it's far around it is 185 greenbacks without truly doing whatever. So I'm going to reveal men how you can get the equal effects as me. So that is going to be as again step tutorial. So I am going to show you men now what Honey does. So what you need to do is the essentially Honey allows you, or it kinda helps you to save money on when you are buying something online. So I right here clicked in this shop. So essentially I would love to buy a drone or something like that. You could see the drone is 379 greenbacks. So what I am going to expose you guys is how Honey clearly works. So permits click on this drone right here. Let's click add to cart and increase here. You could see Honey pops up. So essentially what Honey does is when you click on practice coupon code, if Honey goes to discover coupon code proper to be able to store you shop your basically cash, I suppose. That is really first rate guys, and they are going to check distinctive discounts to really discover the right one with the lowest charge. So here we are going to let it paintings for us only a second. So there are heaps and tons of coupon codes, and Honey is going to check all them. So right here you may see I've located a proper coupon code that is going to keep me 75 greenbacks and 99 cents. So we can click on retain, and right here you could see we're saving $75.99 if we purchase this drum proper now. So I think that is superb guys, due to the fact Honey virtually enables your allows your viewers, or rename it anything you want, ballot of yours. It facilitates your viewers shop money even as you are going to make cash. So I'm going to show you men how you're going to make cash. So allows move on step. So essentially again what I stated, Honey facilitates people shop money with discounts. So essentially this app is unfastened. Your customers don't want to pay for whatever you do not want to pay for something, and really you can use this device tool due to the fact it is wonderful. I truly use this device to mention a few cash. Why would I pay something overpriced if I can pay lower or something like that? There's no factor for doing that. So guys, let's move on how you can share proportion this app. So what are we going to do now is I am going to expose you men while you Click on Honey on. When you log in into Honey, you can see we've got 2 new updates. You may see Honey Pound Center, $5.99 in savings. So when you click on right here and we click on Invite Pals, you may see you may get $5 for every pal that you invite. So essentially, you'll get $5, but after your patron buy something with canned honey. So essentially, I've observed this object with right coupon code. So if I buy now and I have signed through some different guy, he is going to make $5 whilst I am going to save $75.99. So here you may see how it works. So just to break it down for you guys earlier, then we jump into the next step. So what's occurring proper right here is that this man shared with this woman honey affiliate link. So this is our associate link. If I failed to tell you, so that is my associate link. And when a person stalks this associate link, this female has signed up with, let's examine those men affiliate hyperlink. So when she buys something like I did right here, I am going to shop for this drone with this coupon code. Due to the fact I am going to keep $75.99 while someone buys it, I am going to acquire $5, and this works for, I think, nearly every website available. There are all over 30,000, I think, websites that you can use putting directly to store some money with discounts. You may use on Amazon, you can use on eBay, you could use on something you need to. So I think there are almost nearly on every massive website you could shop cash using honey. So that is why I truly use honey, and this is why I in reality recommend different people to apply honey to. And at the same time as I suggest this product, I am going to earn a few money through my affiliate link. So I assume that is simply terrific, man. So here are a number of the methods that you may create content round honey. So you could create content material on how to shop cash. You can write a submit, you can write the weblog, you may write on a few forums, you may write it on YouTube video. So you can see you can create a YouTube video. I saw some man doing a video how you can store cash using honey. So essentially what I truly display you men, I gave you an example of how you can keep money with honey, and basically while you display human beings how it works, they're going to download through your affiliate hyperlink whilst you're going to get 5 greenbacks. They may be going to keep money in body are happy. You may see you may also create blogs and YouTube motion pictures how to use honey. Again, as I informed you guys, you can create additionally a few movies, YouTube movies citing honey. Let's assume you can create some random video, let's say you need prank or something like that, and earlier than the video starts off evolved, you could tell about the honey and a way to shop cash. So essentially this is how you could additionally make money with YouTube and honey, and you can additionally submit your associate hyperlink on some forums. So let's say some guys looking on how to store cash online with online stores, and you may share your associate link, but the maximum essential element is don't unsolicited mail, because in case you unsolicited mail your associate hyperlink, if you submit your affiliate link, shall we embrace 20 instances, they are going to possibly do away with it. So don't unsolicited mail. This is truly an awful aspect, so make certain not to junk mail, and that is how you can create some content material. So step 3 is proportion your affiliate link to earn money. So I have proven you guys ready, you may discover it. I am going to click on once more. So while you are performed with Signup, you can click on your icon proper right here and click on invite buddies. So while you click on invite friends, you'll see a web page like this, and essentially that is your affiliate link right here. So I suppose this is an exquisite way to make money, guys, and why I am telling this is why associate advertising is sincerely first rate. You may earn $5 for every Signup, even as while some of your clients, after they purchase the product, they are going to shop money, and they may be going to clearly enjoy it. I suppose this is genuinely fantastic win-win situation, while and you need to recognize which you are no longer going to make $5 only for Signup. Once more, I am repeating that due to the fact I think that is truly important, due to the fact you will misunderstand something they need to use Honey really? It doesn't count number if they simply download the honey and that they do not use it. You are not going to make $5. For that you are going to make $5 once they purchase some product using honey. So after they buy some random product it does not meet the charge. Would not matter if they buy something for $1 on Amazon, I assume you will still earn that $5. So they need to purchase a few product to in reality get for you to actually get $5. And step 4 is the most vital component. As I said, you'll assist people whilst you will earn some extra cash. I assume I'm going to earn someplace around $500 from honey dust in 3-4 days. I am no longer 100% certain, so I simply suggest that this way to sell him earn money online because, and also I suggest you guys to use this item because it's far sincerely saving money due to the fact you can't discover every coupon code for every product for each shop for Amazon. For why not simply allow this clean device, and it is also once more unfastened, simply permit it seek on the internet for the proper discounts for you and you'll store money like I just display you. I have saved $75.99. Why could I waste $75 whilst I can shop it with honey? So guys, that might be it for ultra modern video.